In today's video, I try to fight gravity, and I end up breaking an expensive camera. I like breaking expensive things, don't you? What's up, everybody? In today's video, I am going to wire up some lights for my kayak. I got these from Amazon. They're green lights, and the reason why I went with green lights is because they attract less bugs. Here are the lights. They come in a pack of 5, well, actually in a pack of 10 or 5. And the reviews said they're pretty good and they're waterproof. So what I'm gonna do is, yes, I'm gonna use some fucking speaker wire to wire these up. I'm gonna use some of these. What I'm gonna use is heat shrink. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna do this yet. Alright, so I'm gonna use the speaker wire that I found in my closet to run the wire. And I know what you're thinking, Timmy's. Oh, it's clear and you can't tell what's apart. I'll tell you what. Well, fuck that. I'm gonna go and buy some more shit when I already have a fucking spool of it. But anyways, once I cut these wires, I'm gonna do a section of maybe a foot at the most. Crimpers. And I do have some crimpers like these. These are graded, by the way. Going over here, my wire. This shit is good right here. Like the lighter, heat shrink, a multimeter, and a screwdriver, some other shit, and some of these little connectors. I don't know yet. So I found a old cigarette lighter plug. It's got a fuse built into it and a power LED, so I know when power's going through it. And I know what the Timmies are saying. Oh, you can put that in a bowl of water because it'll short and explode and the balls will grab you in the mouth. Yeah, I know. But it's got a fuse in here. And then there's a fuse in here. This is going to be my power. It's water resistant. So, yeah. So I hook it up here and then it turns it into a 12-volt adapter. Here we go. Aha! That's the way you spell success. Alright, so here's the bottom of the kayak that I was saying. And I'm going to put the lights in there. So, all through the little channel. Spread them out, I guess. I'm going to do 5. now I'm gonna wire them. And I'm gonna use Okay, so it's day 2. It's been about 2 hours, and this is my work right now. With those two, all of the lights have been tested. What I left off on was the cable, running the power cable. So I'm doing the top side first, doing that. So I'm going to connect that, parallel all of them, and then I'm going to run that cable out through one of the scupper holes there. And same thing on the bottom, run the cable there, and the entry point to the boat's going to be right there. Now you're probably wondering, like, why the fuck are you doing it that way when you can just hook all of them up together in parallel, just one wire, you know? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, go broom and then broom all the way back or whatever. Well, the reason I'm doing it like that is because that way, if this wire fails, it gets cut or smashed or the devil eats it or whatever the fuck, I still have one bank of lights that will work. So I'm gonna have 2 sets of wires coming in there that are gonna be joined coupler style, like I did over here with these little shits, whatever those fucks are called. I don't know if you can see, the sun is fucking. Anyways, so those shits that are in glue, I'm gonna do something similar to that on the other side, and that way it's redundancy. Really, it's more work, but it'll make sense when I finish it. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, that worked. All should turn on. Oh, it's because the other one's not getting ground. That's right. Yes, Daddy. Check it out, Holmes. They all turn on, bro.